Hey everyone! Today I'm going to give you a full review of Power BI. The title of this video is Power BI Review, Features, Pros and Cons, and I'll break down everything you need to know. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool from Microsoft that allows users to connect to multiple data sources, transform and clean data, and create interactive visual reports and dashboards. It's available as Power BI Desktop for Windows, Power BI Service in the cloud, and Power BI Mobile for on-the-go analytics. One of the strongest points of Power BI is its integration with Excel, SharePoint, SQL databases, and even cloud services like Azure and Google Analytics, making it very versatile for businesses of any size. The tool offers drag-and-drop features to create visuals like bar charts, line charts, pie charts, tables, and advanced visuals like Sankey diagrams, animated bar charts, and word clouds. You can also use DAX formulas for advanced calculations and aggregations, which gives you flexibility to analyze data in detail. Power BI's Power Query Editor is great for cleaning data, replacing nulls, and transforming datasets before building your reports. For collaboration, Power BI Service allows sharing dashboards with your team, setting up automatic data refreshes, and integrating reports with Teams or SharePoint. It also supports publishing to the web and exporting reports to PDF or PowerPoint. However, some limitations exist, such as needing a pro license for sharing and collaboration features, and large datasets can sometimes slow down visuals if not optimized properly. Overall, Power BI is highly recommended for anyone who wants a strong, flexible, and visually appealing business analytics platform. If you want to take your reporting to the next level, Power BI is definitely worth learning. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Power BI tips and tutorials.